see, computer science is more sort of research-based course. It is not industry-based course. So if students are considering that just by learning the courses, you would be getting a job in the market, that's not true. You have to learn many more stuff from this. Also, as I told you earlier, like Python is very important for computer science students because all of our courses are designed in such a way that it requires Python as a programming language. There are two different masters when it comes to computer science. One is MS in CS, which is Master of Science in Computer Science. Another is MCS, which is Masters in Computer Science. So MCS is a 30 credit course and MSCS is 33 credit course. MSCS requires you to take 2 theory course. So please make sure that you are aware about what you are choosing as a course. MCS requires 1 theory, 1 system and 1 programming. MSCS requires system, programming and 2 theory courses. So there are 3 courses in this 30 credit. There are few electives like machine learning, deep learning, which fills up faster. So, and the way it is designed is, if my batch has not taken that course, they would be given first preference compared to you guys because you guys have like a year to pass. You can take, but you cannot take courses from Information Technology and Management Department, but you can take courses from Statistics or Data Science Department. Yes, it is possible, but they do not transfer all the credits, only portion of credits are transferred. Networking, or it will be related to data science. So computer science has this data analytics specialization, which people are going forward for, or computational and artificial intelligence something, which includes AI as well. The structure of course is quite different from India. We have almost every week you'll be facing an assignment. In couple of courses there would be quizzes as well as assignments. On an average, if you guys are taking, like, this depends on how you select the courses. So there are some courses which do not have any load, but there are some courses which do have load. So on an average you can expect like there would be at least 1 project in every course. Please make sure you guys are not copying, also not from Google, because that is considered plagiarism here, and we do sign academic honesty before starting each and every course. Okay, so please make sure, because you lose marks, you'll get a 0 and you're going to end up your GPA to be compromised.